Hello and welcome, I am Katie, and today we're going to do a quick round of tapping, or what I like to call power tapping, to help remind us that we are safe in our bodies. By tapping, we are activating a state of relaxation or rest and digest, and by talking, we're affirming or calling in a new way of thinking. So simply tap where I tap and repeat after me. We're going to start by tapping on these pads of our hands, and you can do so by just tapping them together, taking a deep breath in and out. I am safe in my body. Inner eye, letting go of any experiences from my past that lead me to believe otherwise. Outer eye, releasing the emotional weight they continue to hold over me. Under eye, knowing that in this moment, it's safe to relax and let go. Upper lip, bringing my energy back to my center. Chin, allowing my breath to deepen. And my heart rate to slow. Because it's safe to come into a state of relaxation. Side of the body, free myself from any emotions that make me feel anything other than calmness. Top of the head, I feel safe in my body. Because I am safe in my body. Grabbing the front and the back of the wrist, about 3 finger widths down, taking a deep breath in. And let it go. One more time, breathing in. And release. Hopefully you feel a bit lighter after doing that. You feel safer in your body. Continue with this power tapping. It's something that you can do daily as a daily practice. And I will see you guys back next week with another round of power tapping.